Today I am going to continue with the prepositions, right? And we have talked about the other parts of speech, but I do not recall talking about the prepositions. So this is a small video where you will be, told about the prepositions, and it's for a little bit of idea what the prepositions are. Any words that give the position of a noun are called the preposition. So like for example, if you're going to say, अगर आप कहते हैं pen is on the table, pen पे टेबल के ऊपर है, on the table. Pen is in the book, pen book के अंदर है. Pen is outside, pen बाहर है. Pen is inside, pen अंदर है. ठीक है? So this is how the prepositions are, and the word like in, on, at, above, below, जो भी आपको position बताए noun की, कहलाता है preposition, right? This is a small idea, and now I'm going to play the video. Please watch carefully.
Prepositions. A preposition links a noun or a pronoun with another noun or.
Right. So it's just exactly what I told you, that a preposition is something that links a noun or pronoun. So pronouns are what? He, she, it, they, we, you. Anything that we use instead of a noun is called the pronoun. And we have been studying that. We already know that. So the preposition can be linked to that as well. He is on the seat, right? He is at the mall. So it is all giving the position of that person, but with the pronoun. So it can be that as well, right? And these are the things that are in a sentence. So let's see what else they have to say.
Or pronoun in a sentence. For example, Nikki is playing with Ricky in the garden.
Right. So the example that they gave is what? In the garden. This is something that you have to focus on. In the garden means inside that, उस जगह के अंदर. अब in is giving the position exactly, कि वो जो निकी हैं और रिकी हैं, where they are playing in the garden, right? Over here, Nikki and Ricky are nouns. Garden is also noun, right? We do not have a pronoun over here. So in is the preposition which is telling the position of both the nouns.
Here, the preposition with links Nikki and Ricky, and preposition in links them to the garden.
All right, this important information is also something that I did not discuss. That the preposition with is linking both the nouns, Nikki and Ricky, right? These are what? The nouns, and the word that is linking them both together is with.